how to record a video on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the camera app. Now, if you would like to use the default settings, all you have to do is just tap on the record button to start recording your video. In here, you can change the zoom while recording. You can press on the pause button. And at the top here, there is a flash button. You can turn it on during recording, or you can switch it off during the recording. So that is the basic of recording a video. You can tap on record, pause, or you can tap on the stop button to stop the recording. Now there are other settings that you can apply to your video before you record. So at the top here is the Super Steady. You can turn on Super Steady to help the video less shaky during the recording. You can turn on Super Steady. Once you're happy, just tap on the record button. With Super Steady on, when you are taking a video recording, you can capture a picture, you can pause, you can resume recording, you can switch between the front and the back camera during recording, as you can see right there. And you can tap on the stop button. Now this is applied if you turn off auto frame or if you are turning on Super Steady. If you turn off Super Steady, you can turn on auto frame, but if you turn on auto frame, then during the recording, sometimes you may not be able to switch to the front or the back camera. On this occasion, I find that I can switch between the front and the back camera, but sometimes when auto frame is on, so here if I turn off Super Steady and then if I turn on auto frame, sometimes during auto frame it will not allow me to switch between the front and the back camera. So if you've noticed that you cannot switch between the front and the back camera, sometimes you might need to turn off or turn on certain features. So here we've got the FHD at 30 frame, and then simply point at the subject and then tap on the record button. Now there are other options as well. So if we go into more at the bottom here, there are Pro Video mode. This one will allow you to fine-tune your camera settings before recording. So here we've got ISO. We can change the speed. You can change the focus. So we've got center focus, multi-point focus. So it has multiple point focus. And you can also use a manual focus as well. So it can be a bit complex to use. Here we've got the white balance color. So if you are not an expert, then perhaps you can use the default. But if you know more about video recording and photography, you may want to go in here to fine-tune your settings. You got the microphone settings. You can use the Omni recording. You can use just the front camera, the front microphone, the rear microphone. You can have it both by selecting Omni recording. Here you got USB microphone, so you can plug in a USB microphone, external microphone, Bluetooth microphone, and Bluetooth mix. This option has been disabled or grayed out because I do not have an external microphone. Here I can press on the stop button and we go back. So we go back here and then tap on more. So you got portrait video as well. So in addition to Pro Video, we got portrait video, dual recording as well. So here we've got portrait video. So you can recording in portrait mode. Portrait mode allows you to record video with allowing you to blur the background. So here we can choose blur, and then we can increase the blur strength. So I can record, and then the subject, I can start focus on the subject while have the background blur out. I can apply effects, glitch effect, color, so color point effect. We can apply big circle, blur. So not many effects. There are only a few effects that we can apply. And at the bottom here are the effect strength. And that's it. So that is how you can record a video on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. If you would like to apply some settings to your video, you can go into the settings in here, in camera settings, scroll down to the video section. So in here we've got videos. Here you can choose auto FPS to off, use for 30 FPS videos only, or use for 30 FPS and 60 FPS. And here you can also turn on video stabilization or not, and advanced video options in here. You can choose the video format. So before recording, make sure you go into settings and apply any necessary changes. Here we have high efficiency, most compatible, high bitrate videos, zoom in microphone, and 360 audio recording, which you can turn on as well. And then tap on the back key, and then back again to go back to your camera, and from there you can start recording. And that's it. If you want to record with your front camera, tap on the switch button here, and that will allow you to switch to the front. And from here we can, now because auto framing is on, so it kind of like automatically zoom in or zoom out, so that it can capture everyone in the picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.